Welcome folks, Flipknot here. Today I am on the most modern motorcycle, but my buddy Jared over here is gonna let me ride the most vintage motorcycle I will ever ride, his 1976 Triumph Bonneville. It is a right-hand shift. It is classic. It is everything that a motorcycle should be. So we got a few things on the agenda today. We're gonna go grab breakfast, so that's gonna be awesome. Somewhere new, somewhere he loves, in his part of town. Then we're gonna go do an Instagram live where a few of you folks have sent in questions for us. Got Mr. Shade Tree Surgeon behind me and Shay Lee's right over there. So Mr. Vintage Motorcycle and Mr. Technology Modern Motorcycle guy, we're gonna trade later. And we're gonna see who giggles the most when they hop off of their motorcycles. And I guarantee you, it's gonna be that guy.
Life on a live wire. You pull up to your friends' houses and you go, hey man, I borrowed an extension cord. I mean, it doesn't need it, but I'd rather have it. But hey, we're about to go live. Hope you guys show up.
What's up, guys? We're just getting ready. We're getting a second view here set up so we can read your questions and say what's up to everybody who's joining. Look, come on. Over here. Oh, wait, I'm watching that one. There's a little bit of a delay.
Alright, so we just got done with the live stream. We had breakfast. Now it's motorcycle time. I have spent the last 3 days on an electric motorcycle. I have not grabbed for a clutch once. And now I'm about to ride the oldest motorcycle I've ever been on. It's a right-hand shift. And I gotta use clutch again. So this should be fun. This should be interesting. And then afterwards, we're gonna make Mr. Vintage Motorcycles ride the most modern motorcycle out there.
No, there's a whole process.
Kick it over.
You ready?
I'm waiting.
All right. So
Should I have my helmet on? I feel like this is like one of those bikes, like if you don't hop on it instantly, you gotta do it all over. I ironically feel like maybe the fact that I haven't used the clutch in 4 days is gonna make this easier.
That sounds skeptical.
first thing I need to verify, I need to see your shot records to make sure that your tetanus is up to date.
January 15th, 2020 when I got hit by a car.
All right, I trust you.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So 1952 Triumph Thunderbird, same motorcycle that Marlon Brando rode in the Wild One.
Hell yeah, where's my hat, dude?
Dude, I seriously, you need to hook it up. There you go. It's gonna blow off, but yeah.
I'm gonna wear my Harley hat on my on the new Triumph.
That's it. I can go get your Triumph hat.
Hell
All
yeah.
right, so petcock. You gotta get
What's
the fuel
that do?
flowing. Turn your petcock on. All right. Then give it a reach around. Over here. See the plunger?
That
So,
thing?
yeah, it's like your weed eater. You know how you prime a weed eater? You push that down until gas comes out, and it's gonna get on your finger. Just hold it down. No, not enough. Not enough. You gotta get your finger really wet. So hold it down. There you go. You're good.
You cut in the that's
Now.
what she said.
So, and prime it again. Right, there you go. All right, good to go. So, all right, so now that's it. No key. You said turn the key on. There's no key on this bike. If you want to shut the bike off, this is the kill switch. You just push that button down. Magneto driven. You just
Is this
mount.
gonna work?
Now that you have given it the reach around, you must mount it. Mount the bike. And yes, give it a good rub. Say, baby, please start for me.
All right, we're gonna do this.
All right, we're gonna do this together.
First
All right.
kick, I know
You
it.
gotta do that
So
with
get
all
it down
kinds
to
of
where you
bikes,
feel
right?
feel it engaging, and then just boot it. Yeah.
Second kick for sure.
Oh, you got to keep it running.
Okay.
But you did better than Josh.
But I mean, I got
He
to.
kicked it like 8 times.
Okay, so now I know how that works. So just
It's
go
got to warm up a little bit, so you got to
Okay.
keep it running while it's warming up. So yeah, you don't have to repeat the priming. It should be fine.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
They kick back sometimes. You got your helmet flip?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa. Little kids coming home from school and this 30-year-old biker on a 30-year-old motorcycle riding around like an idiot. $1955, I think he said. Wow, you really got to get, okay. All right, you really got to kick up to get it in gear. Again, being on a motorcycle that I haven't had to use a clutch for in a while, I feel like it's almost like easier to re-engage the fact that I have to use one on the right-hand side. This is a goddamn piece of history. This thing is rad as goddamn hell. Okay, that's right. Brakes, wrong brake. Okay, that was the problem. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Cool. Yeah, the clutch is all the way at the end. Thanks for reminding me, Weems. Just the sheer fact that the brake is on the left is more of a hassle than the clutch, than the shifter being on the right. That almost is hard. Goddamn Marlon Brando and shit. Oh, it's a hot day. This thing is super cool. I don't think I could ride one every day though. Hell yes. The Springer seat is surprisingly comfortable, minus when you hit a speed bump.
First impressions.
I loved every f***ing second of that. Every second of that.
Hell yeah.
Like, that's what a motorcycle's supposed to be.
Like gnarly and crazy.
Like, everything has a mechanical feel to it. You feel the wire coming out. You feel the, you know.
Yeah, it's very.
I couldn't do many miles on it, but it's awesome.
Oh, yeah. And you know, really, it's not that uncomfortable.
It's just getting comfortable with it.
Yeah.
Like, the right-hand shift was not hard. Left-hand brake was what got me. Because you don't have a front brake.
Is that what you did? Or did you miss a gear?
I missed a gear.
Oh, okay.
Because it's really, the second is really high. So, like, I had to, like, lift my foot. But, yeah, no, it was like, I use my brakes a lot. Both of them. So, like, remembering that this one doesn't work that well and remembering that
It works, because I did adjust it.
it does. It's just like
Front brake. Sorry.
yeah, I love that thing.
All right, Jared.
What's
I rode your bike. Now you're riding, well, Bert's bike. You keep making that face all you want. You're
Where's
gonna
the key?
in your mind.
So it's like the 52. It doesn't
Yeah.
have a key.
You make it so. Yes.
Okay.
All right. You just gotta put that thing in your pocket,
All right.
and then we gotta come on, plug it. Thanks for the juice, Jared.
Okay.
Keep stand up. I'm gonna go ahead and put you in just regular mode, just regular road mode. And then you hit that button, that goes green, you gotta hold it down. The bike is now on.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Does it have a reverse? I gotta walk.
Yeah, your
Jared's
legs.
over here.
Like every other motorcycle.
Electric bike.
I feel more nervous about this than like riding old motorcycles, man.
That's what I love about this. It's
Where's
new.
the
It's
clutch?
in your mind, man. All right, okay. So, just twist that throttle lightly. All right, tell everybody the first time, just like get like, okay, this is how it works.
So I shouldn't be aimed at Josh's bike right now. Is what you're saying.
Bert owns both of them, so
Oh, okay. All right.
that's it, man.
Wrong.
He can say whatever he wants. He's gonna hop off that thing, giggling like a schoolgirl, like everybody else does.
Holy crap, Ola!
Tell me that's not a
Dude.
giggle machine.
Holy cow! Where do I not buy one of these? This is.
You can ride mine until I have to give it back.
I would die on this.
We all will.
I would die. I would die of laughter. I would die of joy, and I would die of anger because it just there's no clutch, there's no shifting gears, but this thing is fast, dude.
Yes, it is, sir.
That was awesome.
And that's not on the fast mode.
No, I seen that there was an S. I'm assuming sport mode or something.
That's sport mode, but then I also have a spinal tap mode, which cranked to 11.
Oh my god. Yeah, no. This is awesome though, man.
Yes, it is.
Enjoy. You need to recharge it?
I wonder how many miles you just took back from it. Bye 1955, let's go back to 2020. Hey girl, missed yous. Not that mode. There we go, yeah. And it's on. So today I completely felt like I was in the middle of a Fallout video game. Going from analog to digital, from past to future, going from a carbureted, need to be primed, gasoline engine, a motorcycle from the 1955 to an electric motorcycle from 2020. It's been one hell of a very interesting day. So there's something I don't understand about certain people where it's like, this is what it is, this is the only thing that it can be, and there's nothing else. Harley Davidsons, Ford pickup trucks, and a 45 CPA caliber 1911. That's all there is, that's all there ever should be. Nothing. Dude. You know what's fun about doing different things? Ooh, girl, you're pretty. Just random guy that Josh met is now one of us in the weirdest, like, that guy attracts the coolest people in the world and I f***ing hate him for it, but I love him for it because I get to meet some of the coolest people. Randomly, he meets this guy who builds Triumphs, and we all love Triumphs, and now we're hanging out at this guy's house, like, doing charity things, which, by the way, raffle's going on until March. Make sure you buy your tickets. We'll get back to that later.
But you know, there's his, 1965 Mustang, and there's his 1955 Triumph. Same motorcycle that Marlon Brando rode in that one movie. Get mad, I dare you. Come on. But variety is the spice of life, man. Who wants to eat plain chicken every day? I'm a steak. I don't care, man. You don't want to eat steak every day. You don't. I absolutely love the fact that there's always something different. There's always a new experience. There's always something new. You know what I haven't found out yet? Is what the top speed of the live wire is. And I feel like maybe I shouldn't. If Shay wasn't here right now, Josh and I would be seeing who can keep up. Maybe someday soon we can do that. Nothing against you, Shay. It's just that I don't think that your Savage can keep up with Road King Kong and haven't thought of a name for this thing yet. We can call it Astro Boy. I don't know. He was a mechanical superhero from Japanese anime. And ludicrous speed. And back to conservative mode. Want to see who goes from rolling start, Josh? I just tried to downshift.
How did you try to downshift?
The good thing is that even if I do that, there's nothing to f up. Alright, coming up to my favorite view in all of Tampa Bay, I'm gonna go hang out with Kyle at his work at MTW. The folks let me store my Sportster while I was rebuilding it. Again, guys, Matt, Ed, thank you so much for letting me do that for there. It's time for you guys to ride the Giggle Machine. That's another video. So, I'm gonna sign off with this one. So folks, you know how this works. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, catch you on the flip side.
Don't get electrocuted! Oh,
That's what you get for talking shit.